I'm just on my way over to see a fella who he's got something wrong with his hot water heater. He called me up and said that he knew me and we've done work before. So it's an electric hot water heater. He said he smelled something electrical burning. So I'm just on my way over to pop in and see what's what, see if we can help him out and get his hot water heater swapped and fixed up. So stay tuned. Okay, I just finished up the hot water heater with Jesse, and it was so interesting because when I got to the door, I went because he called me directly. And then he said that he had spoken to one of the people in our office. And I laughed, and I said, well, that's funny because I didn't know whether they knew that I was going here or not, but it didn't matter. After I finished up with Jesse and I got back in my truck and I called the office said, well, we already sent him a quote for the electric hot water heater. And I said, man, one hand doesn't know what the other's doing sometimes. It was because the owner didn't give the same information to the office as he gave to me. I don't know if he just assumed we talked together, or it's quite possible he thought he was calling two different companies. That's happened before as well. People get confused. They go down a list of numbers to call. They just start calling people. They don't know who they don't know who they're talking to. They don't know who's coming to the door. And I always leave a business card. Well, the first thing I do is give a business card. I want to make sure people know who I am. That's something that you run into. It is kind of hilarious. It is the way it is. So it's pretty funny. Anyway, I just asked the office, I said, can you follow up with the fellow with the hot water heater and see what he wants to do? Because I've given you all the measurements, all the details, everything you need to know so that we can do the job. And we'll see where it goes from there. That was kind of my funny part of the day. Stay comfortable. Oh, there goes the school bus by. It must be that time of the day. Stay comfortable, but please stay tuned.